Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Glittery Vibes. So in today's video we'll be seeing how to make home style veg spring rolls. So let's get started. For this you need 1 cup shredded cabbage, half cup capsicum, half cup shredded carrot, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, 3 chopped green chillies. Now in a pan add 1 tablespoon oil, some cumin seeds and fry these veggies well. You can also add 2 tablespoons French beans. This is optional. Half teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Then add salt as per your taste, 1/4 teaspoon sugar, 1/4 teaspoon pepper powder. Mix all these veggies well and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Do not overcook these veggies. You can also add some chopped coriander or some chopped spring onions. Now to prepare the sheets you need 2 cups of whole wheat flour, that is atta, salt as per your taste. Now add water as required and form a dough. To make the spring sheets you can also use 2 cups of maida, that is all-purpose flour, or 1 cup of maida and 1 cup of atta. This is completely up to you. Rest the dough for about 10 to 15 minutes, then make small rounds of it and roll them out using a rolling pin. Once you finish rolling the sheets, then fill in the mixture prepared. Now fold the sheet as shown. And here, now your spring rolls are ready to get fried. Deep fry these spring rolls until they turn golden brown in color. Your home style wet spring rolls are now ready. Enjoy these spring rolls with your favorite sauce. If you like this video, then do give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, comment down to the video and don't forget to subscribe it. Until next time, stay tuned and keep watching Glittery Vibes. Thanks for watching.